Hi everyone, welcome to Kids World Bag Manufacturer channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make a tote bag. And when you are making your tote bag, we have different material we use in making our tote bag. We have the jean, we have the chinos, we have the canvas. So today I'm using a canvas material. You see how thick it is. That's why we say in our company we don't compromise on quality. And this is it. So check it very well. Yup. Sorry. So this is this length. I'm using 17 and a half by 17 and a half. So this is it. I've already cut it out, and this is the handle. The handle is 3 by 25 in two pieces. Then let's go.